This one is the Howo NX model. Very popular. Many customers like it very much. This is a 6x4 dump truck. It weighs 10 tires, but a new truck with one spare tire. It can with single truck engine, also can with V-chain engine. Different horsepower. You can choose. This truck is very special because this truck body is very thick. The dump truck body can customize as customers' requirements.
Okay.
Different length, different height, and different thickness.
How long does the production take?
Production time is about 30 days, 30 work days. This is a Howo brand. Howo brand also very popular. This is a 400 horsepower. This truck with a V-chain engine. Also a 6x4 dump truck. But this truck a little different. You can see the tank can cover this top body with 300 liters fuel tanker. This tires is a Triangle brand tire. This one also Triangle brand. Very famous brand of tires in China. We often ask customer pay the 30% as deposit. After the truck is finished, I will take some pictures and videos and details to you.
Today, I had the opportunity to visit a Sino Howo truck factory here in China. As part of my role as a sourcing agent on the Guangzhou, Liberia shipping and logistics, a registered company dedicated to helping clients in Africa and across the diaspora acquire top quality machinery and products directly from manufacturers. Upon arrival, I was warmly welcomed by the company's official agents and had the honor of meeting the CEO. From there, we proceeded to their production facility where the real magic happens. Inside, you can see various models of Howo trucks in different stages of assembly. Every unit is built with precision and many undergo custom retrofitting to match each client's specific needs. All these are built to order and showing that the truck you receive isn't just another off-the-line vehicle, but one tailored specifically to your business requirements. If you are a client working with me, you can rest assured that you are getting factory direct service with no middleman tricks and no compromised quality. From the moment you express interest, I'm fully involved. From initial consultations and specs review to customization, quality inspection, and final delivery arrangements. I serve as your eyes and ears on the ground here in China, making sure that what you ask for is exactly what's delivered. Some people often ask, why not just buy a used truck from Europe or somewhere else? A brand new Sino Howo truck is often cheaper without the wear and tear or hidden faults. You get to build a truck from scratch based on your exact needs. New trucks come with factory warranties and after-sales support, longer lifespan, and better fuel efficiency. New trucks are optimized for performance and meet current emission standards. And finally, when a factory in China sees me, not just as a buyer, but as a representative of clients in Africa and the diaspora, they treat the transaction with professionalism and respect. My presence means accountability, and that's the kind of trust and transparency you want when investing in heavy machinery. So whether you are in Liberia, Ghana, Nigeria, or anywhere across Africa and the diaspora, when you partner with Guangzhou, Liberia shipping and logistics, you are not just buying a truck. You are buying peace of mind, quality assurance, and on-the-ground representation from start to finish. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more insightful factory visits and sourcing opportunities right here in China. Remember, we say what we do and we mean what we say.